let's go. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel, Logan Speed Shop. Well, it appears I've got some explaining to do. I'm sure a few of you have seen this fella pop up on your Facebook, and yes, it's true. It's happened. Another one of my cars have ended up going to Keep It REET as a giveaway car, and I guess I got to talk about why. So it's kind of been back and forth messages between me and Jesse for a little while. I've been on the fence whether or not I want to get rid of it, and to be honest, it's just come back to I don't use the car. I need the space and I need the money for the business more than anything. So basically it just meant, yep, this is the right thing to do. It meant someone else out there could get the car, could really enjoy it. Like me, he's 15. The bloke that's got it a tray who loves it. He drives it way more than I ever had. I actually got one of his other cars here, but that's beside the point. This bad boy could be one of your guys' cars. I don't remember the last time I drove this. And that's not because it's a bad car in any way, I just haven't had time. Just pushed it outside the shed now. Everything's still cold. Like, I wouldn't do that if it was hot. Let's see how this cold start is. Grab the key. But yeah, I don't remember the last time I started this. Probably a couple of weeks ago. Actually, when I start it now, I'm going to drive it down the road and grab some fuel because I know it's going to be low. But yeah, let's get in here and start it. Alright, so here we go. How good is my rotary cold start? Hear the brake vacuum pump fire up. That's not bad. A couple of weeks not starting, a little bit smoky from the two-stroke oils settling in. But yeah, she runs so bloody well, this car. Alright, yeah, it could do with a bit of tune, but I've been learning and it's actually not bad. And the E10 is pretty bloody wonderful stuff. Someone is going to be happy in this car. It is an amazing sounding RX7. And whilst I'm sad it's going, I'm definitely happy someone else out there is going to win it and love the car. Take a minute to have a look at that thing. Another set of Panasports in amazing sizes gone too. A bit upset that I can't keep them. Same as all the little trinkets on the interior. G-ready wheel, G-ready knob, ride seats, just a lot of the new little trims. Mirrors, I want to say the aero markers. There's just a lot of good little trinkets on this car. And just be a good car for whoever wins. Take it out, cruise it, really embrace it, do the things I haven't had a chance to do in it, and just make the most of it. But yeah, let's go for a drive down the road and grab some fuel. Alright, it's time, let's go get some fuel. Just put my details in the logbook. I've driven this car like 5 times this year. We're already in April, so yeah, nearly a third of the way through the year, and I've only driven it 5 times, and most of those have just been testing stuff out. The last big drive was actually to Black Label and then driving home in traffic. This car sat in traffic like bumper to bumper for like 2 hours, didn't overheat, and was just happy as. Used a bit of fuel of course, but that's just rotary things. But yeah, let's talk about what's been done for those that haven't watched my videos. So the engine, it's a semi-PP 13B. This is a fresh build by Andrew John. So started engine, all new seals, all that, balanced, all the basics, side clearanced. Then on that we got a G35 1050, custom intake manifold with drive-by-wire by me. Then everything else is pretty much just supporting mods, injectors, fuel system, 50mm wastegate, LS2 coils. I don't want to say basic stuff for rotaries. But yeah, it's a pretty bloody good car. Engine wide is that's about it. Then we move on to the body. The whole car got rewired front to back, so it is running a Haltech Nexus R5. They just didn't trust any of the wiring. Actually, let's hear it. car meets enjoying it a bit more. Priorities at the moment don't allow for it. I'll probably regret selling this in the future. But, it's a car I can always rebuild, and it means someone else will actually properly enjoy it, give the car the love it needs, give it the home it deserves. You're off to your new home, baby. Let's give it a little bit round here. Come out of the roundabout safely first. Also fixed up the clutch a bit, adjusted it. She feels a hell of a lot better. So now she's good. It goes good. Definitely could do some more boost. Maybe 85 over E10. Just so we can turn it up a little bit more. Pace. Okay, we've got some fuel. We're good to go. Not that we're going far, I'm only just going back home. Just wanted to make sure there was some fuel in it because it was just on the bloody dregs before. But yeah, let's get this car back home, get it ready for them. Not that there's much to get ready, but it means they get one little bit of a fresh on the way back. Show off what the car's like. How good's the idle though? The other week I drove my friend's 13B car, just Bridgeport, but it had a stock throttle body, and when you get off the throttle the car would jump, like it would hesitate, it would, what would be the word, it was nearly like a bunny hopped, but the drive-by-wire seems to fix that. It makes the 13B feel smooth, even with these huge ports. It makes the car very drivable, well, until you get stuck behind someone going a little bit too slow. But that's okay. I really think someone is going to love this car. Give it the love it needs. Well, it doesn't need much love, but treat it well, you know? Thrash it, take it out, just embrace it. Sad times helping to load. You're good.